In this video, I'm going to attempt to create a cuboid and create a parameter so that all dimensions are linked to 1. So I will go on the top plane here and create a sketch. And I'll create a rectangle. And I am going to smart dimension this. And we'll just hit the green check. And I'm going to hit the green check. It's not the same size. It's okay. I'm going to make it the same size, hopefully. We'll go ahead and make a solid of this. We'll go into the ISO view first. Under the features, we will create a boss. We're going to extrude this up, I don't know, 5 inches. I'll hit the green check. So my idea here is to try and create this rectangle to be 3 by 3 by 3. I can double click this, double click the values, and change them all to 3. Hit the green check. I'm not sure I got that right. Should look like a cuboid. What did I miss? Double click that. Let me see what I got. Oh, I think I went 5 inches tall. So we can double click this and change it to 3. But I want to try and create a parameter so if I change one value, they will all change. Oh, what am I missing? If I go to the boss and edit this, I can right click this value . What the hell? Oh, let me do that. So we go to Tools, Equations to get this variable here, and we're going to give it a name. I'll just call it length. And then I'll give it a number 5. And I'll say OK. And I want to link that boss. So I'm going to edit the boss feature. And we're going to right click here. What am I doing wrong here? Enter the depth. I want to right click and get that value to show up. So we're going to just highlight this whole thing and hit equals. And then we'll get that global variable to come up that we just created. So when I click on that, global variable. Now I just clicked on it and now it equals the length. So when I hit the green check, this height will change to 5 inches. And if I click the sketch and double click this, click the sketch. Well, I guess I could do it that way too. Click this value. We can hit equals right there and go back to the global variable, and there's that 5-inch variable I created, and I just select on that. And I'll hit the green check. And you'll notice that this value changed, and it has a little E on it right here, letting us know we have a formula linked, and this one does not have a formula. So if I exit the sketch, it'll be 5 inches tall. Okay, and we'll pop back into the ISO view. If I change my equation, you can right click and edit that. No, sorry, it's manage. Right click on the equation and manage the equation. I can change that value here. I'll change it to 15. Select OK. You notice that it's 15 inches long now. Seems like, oh, it didn't go high because we got to rebuild it. Oh man, this thing is right in the way. My recorder is right in the way. Let me see. I gotta see if I can minimize this. So I have to get to this recorder here and rebuild it, and it should change that to 15 inches tall. Oh, why didn't that change? Oh, let's see. Let's double click the solid. That's 15. This should be, if I double click this, double click that, I can hit equals and change that global variable to be 15 inches. Hit the green check. And it didn't it has the 15 here, but we don't see the change. I gotta minimize that and rebuild it. So why isn't it 15 inches tall? Right click, edit the feature, right click, I don't have a variable in there, so I don't know why. I'm going to go back and try and turn that on. So now it should be 15 inches tall. And if I go back to the equations and manage it, I should be able to change that 15 to 10. Say OK. Oh, and did it rebuild? I think it actually rebuilt. If it doesn't rebuild automatically and you have to keep hitting this rebuild feature, you should be able to manage that equation and turn on automatic rebuild. So when I change this to 5 or 4, notice that all the values change to 4. Select OK. And we'll zoom up on this solid here a little bit and double click the solid. You'll see everything's at 4 now. 4, 4, and 4, and they have the formula symbol linked on them. All right, so again, that was using this equations, managing the equation, change that to 2, hit OK. You can zoom up on this a little bit, double click it, and there are your values. All right, hope that helps with the equations using SolidWorks.